Alright guys, this is the top 3 must-have accessories for your Buds, Samsung Buds Pro 3 and Samsung Buds. Alright, these accessories, well, 2 of them will work for the regular Buds. The ear tips you'll see are for the Buds Pro. Okay, first up we have a cleaning tool here. As you can see, that metal piece there, there's a brush on the side, and I'll demonstrate what these tools are actually supposed to be used for. All right, and if you slide the middle piece up, it'll open up the other side, which is we'll call it a felt tip Q-tip. All right, I'm gonna show you what that's used for first. Just clean out the inside of your bud holder. Get right off in those small corners, small pieces, and clean out your prongs so you won't have any issue when you're trying to charge your buds. So it works for AirPods or any bud case out there. Then the brushing kit or brushing tool to clean the outside of it. And then the metal piece there is to clean out the gunk inside of your ear tips. Alright. Yeah, really that simple. 3-in-1 tool, must have for any set of buds, AirPods, EarPods, or whatever. Alright. Next up, we have some premium ear tips. Again, I'm dropping a link for all the items in the description. I'll drop the links in order that they're seen in the video, so you won't have to guess which one you're getting. All right. Well, first, you're going to take out the original ear tips, and you're going to roll back the tip and pull tightly. And yeah, it's just that easy. It pops right off. Okay. And I said it was 4 different sizes, but as you can see on the back right there, I really couldn't tell the difference in much of the sizes. I just went with the largest one for my ear canal, and that's what it looks like. The little ridges there. Okay. You'll put on the one that you feel like best fit your ear canal. Just roll back the rubber material there and firmly press, and it should snap right on. Again, it is just that easy. Get a closer look at it. Alright, and I'll review those in a separate video and let you guys know about the sound quality. Alright, and the last item is the ear hooks. This is good for somebody who's always moving around a lot and take a chance of losing their buds, working out, or if you have a job that's very physical, these will definitely be for you. It's a more secure fit to keep your earbuds in your ear. As you can see, they're marked left and right. Now I'll show you why that's important right now. Okay, make sure I'm getting the right one. Putting the left bud in, just like that. Alright, so the bud, of course, the bud go in your ear, and then hook over your left ear. And we're going to go ahead and hook up the right one. And we're going to show you guys what they look like in my ears. Alright. And this is why it's vital that you make sure you got the right bud and the right hook. Alright, real quick, this is what it looks like in my ear. See how the hook go around the back. Alright guys, turn on post notifications. I will be doing some bud case videos.